Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and I have Ian with me today, and we're going to be working on some fun drills for children's martial arts. Now, one of the most basic things that you will teach anyone in martial arts is a horse stance position, and it's a way to develop strength in the legs, understand balance, and it's a good standard of measurement when we work on different stances. Okay, now if I just tell him to do sei ping ma or horse stance all the time, he's just going to get bored with the same thing over and over. So we can work his reaction speed and make it more important for him to drop down into his stance. So this is one of the ways that we do it. I'm going to take the pads and I'm going to clap, almost like I'm going to try to get his head right here, but he's going to drop down and do sei ping ma before I can get there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sei ping ma! Oh, so fast. All right, try to get feet together and sei ping ma! Wow, that was really fast. Try one more time. Ready? And sei ping ma! Good. Now, once he's in a stable stance, I can also check his stance too by pushing. For sei ping ma, he's going to have most of his strength from the sides. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to push from side to side. He has to make sure he doesn't move. He really doesn't need to force against it. He just has to stabilize here. If you push from behind or even in the front, there's really nothing that they can do to maintain balance on that one. So really this stance for horse stance is side to side. Let me see feet together one more time. Now you can also do it without the clap. You can just swing like you're gonna go over their head. Let me see feet together. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, sei ping ma. Oh, good. Again, show me feet together and sei ping ma. All right. So this makes him drop down into that sei ping ma position. You can get them to come up to feet together, back to that sei ping ma or horse stance position. Make them do it several times, which will really work the legs and develop a good foundation for when they're moving from stance to stance and ending in a sei ping ma or horse stance position. Okay, for Ian and myself, Sifu Cuddle, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, bam!
Bam! Fist with a forearm.